crooked spoons, that's not gonna work. But yeah, it'll spin for a while and then it'll stop and then you have to start it again.
I thought just centrifugal force would keep it going forever.
You know, a couple of times I've gotten the string just perfect, but, I mean, I've been fortunate a couple of times. But they talk about it, you know, it was one of the things when they were doing a string chicken. They couldn't very well leave.
Oh,
It took constant attention because it would occasionally stop. So, set that bowl right there.
to me, it's like a background on the computer, you know, the video.
Uh-huh.
You know, they have something like that with a fireplace for Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Some of them
Wow.
have longer, you know, their cranes are up higher,
Uh-huh.
so you can have a longer string, and I've heard that makes a difference. I've got such short string.
It's a high fireplace, though.
Mhm. And if there was some place to attach it out here, I would, but there's nothing out there.
It's going along slowly, but it's good.
Well, it needs to turn slowly, and occasionally stopping to cook is a good thing.
Yeah.